Welcome back to the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving deep into the steamy world of cleaning with two heavyweights in the steam mop ring: the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop and the BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1. Let's see which one will leave your floors cleaner than ever. Let's start with price. The Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is priced at $149, making it a more budget-friendly option. Amazon reviewers appreciate its affordability and effectiveness, often praising its 3-level steam setting that adapts well to different floor types. On the other hand, the BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 comes in at $175. Reviewers acknowledge that while it's a bit pricier, it offers heavy-duty cleaning power that justifies the cost. If saving a few bucks is your priority, the Shark is the way to go. But for those willing to invest a bit more for versatility, BISSELL could be worth it. Next, we're getting steamy with steam power. The Shark heats up in about 30 seconds, providing ample steam for cleaning, which reviewers appreciate, especially for quick cleanups. However, some users have noted inconsistencies with steam output. In contrast, the BISSELL boasts powerful, high-temperature steam that helps tackle tough stains and grime. Reviewers have found it effective for cleaning grout and tough surfaces, even if it can sometimes produce bursts of steam. If immediate steam is what you need, the Shark delivers, but for heavy-duty cleaning, the BISSELL takes the lead. Now let's chat versatility. The Shark is primarily a steam mop, which is great for straightforward floor cleaning. Reviewers enjoy its simplicity and ease of use, especially for those who want a no-fuss cleaning experience. In contrast, the BISSELL is like a Swiss Army knife of steam cleaners. It transforms into an extended reach cleaner and a handheld steamer, making it suitable for various surfaces and cleaning tasks. Users have shared how they appreciate the BISSELL's flexibility, especially when cleaning cars or other hard-to-reach areas. If versatility is your game, the BISSELL is the clear winner here. Speaking of versatility, let's talk accessories. The BISSELL comes loaded with a whopping 29 accessories, making it feel like a cleaning party in a box. Reviewers love this feature, noting that it allows for a wide range of cleaning tasks. The Shark, however, is more modest in this department and comes with the essentials. Some users have expressed a desire for additional mop pads, which could enhance its usability. If you're a fan of having the right tools for every job, the BISSELL is definitely the way to go. Lastly, let's consider chemical-free cleaning. Both mops are designed to sanitize without harsh chemicals, which is a big plus for environmentally conscious users. The BISSELL even claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria, which has garnered positive feedback from germophobic users. Reviewers of both products appreciate this feature, as it allows for a safe cleaning experience, especially in homes with kids and pets. If you prioritize a chemical-free clean, both options deliver, but the BISSELL's added germ-fighting claims might give it an edge. Overall, both the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop and the BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 have their strengths. The Shark is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and effective steam cleaning, while the BISSELL shines with its versatility, powerful steam, and extensive accessories. Reviewers seem to favor the Shark for straightforward cleaning, but many appreciate the heavy-duty capabilities of the BISSELL for tougher jobs. So what's the verdict? If you're looking for a straightforward, budget-friendly steam mop, the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is your guy. But if you want a multi-purpose powerhouse that can tackle indoor and outdoor cleaning with a ton of accessories, the BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 is definitely worth the splurge. Whichever you choose, just remember, a clean floor is a happy floor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description.